Let me get this going. All right, this is for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. We are learning this gorgeous song by Frank Lesser, 1947, What Are You Doing New Year's Eve? It has some great jazz chords, so we're taking it very, very slowly at first. We're in the key of G, and our starting note is a B. Maybe it's much too early in the game. So we have a bunch of minor sevenths and ninth chords and suspended seventh chords, and it's delicious. Here's our tempo. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it's much too early in the game. But I thought I'd ask you just the same. What are you doing New Year's? New Year's Eve. Oh, wonder whose arms will hold you good and tight when it's exactly 12 o'clock that night, welcoming in the New Year's, New Year's Eve. Baby, I'm crazy to suppose I'd ever be the one you chose out of 1,000 invitations you received. Oh, but in case I stand one little chance, here comes the jackpot question in advance. What are you